Hello student, here is the question that a straight wire of length L carries a current, constant current. It is bent into a circle of 1 turn and the magnetic field is B naught. Okay, so here is the wire and you have formed the one circle from that, and that's radius is equal to, let's say that's equal to r, and length is equal to L. So L is equal to total length, that's equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so radius will be equal to L upon 2 pi. So from here you will write the magnetic field at the center, that will be equal to B naught, and it can be written as at the center of the coil, mu naught is equal to mu naught into I upon 2r. So just put the value of r here, so mu naught into I upon the value of r, that's L upon 2 pi, so 2 pi will be here. Okay, so you can see, and number of turns is equal to 1, so you can write from here, that's a mu naught, it will cancel out, mu naught into I upon 2 into L, okay, into 2 pi. So I'm not cancelling out, okay, so you can cancel it out, that will cancel out, so pi upon L. Okay, so now that's a B naught which you have for only due to one coil, one loop. Okay, now it is bent into circular of n loop. Now you are bending into the n loops. So here is the n loop which you have. Now what is the magnetic field at the center of this loop? That will be equal to, you can write that first of all you will write that length will be equal to, here the length is same of the wire, length of the wire is same, and you are doing the n loop from this length, so n into 2 pi r, radius in that case will be equal to, that's a 2 pi r. Okay, so length will be equal to that one, so here you can calculate the r will be equal to L upon 2 pi into n. Okay, now magnetic field you have to calculate the due to these n rings at this center, that will be equal to mu naught into I upon 2r. This is due to only one ring, due to only one loop. There are such n loops are there, so you will just multiply it by n, you will get the magnetic field at the center of the loop in that case. Okay, so here is you will get the magnetic field at the center of the loop. So here just put the values, that's the n, and mu naught into I, the value of r in that case is equal to 2 into L multiply by 2 pi into n. Okay, 2 and 2 will cancel out and n and n will multiply, that's n square, and here mu naught into I into pi upon L. You can see this value is equal to mu naught into I into pi upon L, that's equal to B naught. So you will write that's equal to n square into B naught. So when you are bending into n circular loop, the magnetic field will be n square times that of the magnetic field which is produced due to only when you have make only one loop. Okay, so that will, according to that, option number 4 is your correct answer. So option number 4 is the correct answer of this question. Thank you.